Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we explore the intersection of technology and play. Today, we're building a timeless classic, Rock Paper Scissors, coded in the powerful Python language. We begin by importing the random module, which is essential for generating random choices in our game. Next, we create a list, called options, to house the three possible choices, rock, paper, and scissors. Now, we engage the player directly. The code prompts the user to make their move by entering rock, paper, or scissors. The computer, not to be outdone, also makes its choice. It harnesses the power of the random module to select an option from the options list, mirroring the unpredictable nature of human decision-making. Here's where the game's logic takes center stage. We employ a dictionary called win_conditions to map out the winning combinations, elegantly defining the rules of engagement. The dictionary acts as a blueprint for determining the victor, ensuring a fair and logical outcome. Finally, the code provides clear and informative feedback to the player. It reveals both the player's choice and the computer's selection, and then triumphantly announces the winner of the round. This transparency is crucial for maintaining player engagement and fostering a sense of competition.